Of course, I still have my bottle of Waverly chalk. Of course, this is going to be my primer. And you follow me on my other YouTube videos, you know I use this quite a bit. So this one I'm going to use to first layer of paint for these plastic 3-section planters. I'm trying to listen to a program too while I'm here, so you'll hear this noise in the background, but it's not anyone visiting, it's just the television, so bear with it. But anyways, I want to show you once again what it looks like. I picked this up at Take a Sharpie and draw out your face and your design, and then take your paintbrush and go along. Doesn't have to be perfect. This is my ladybug. Now I'm going to work on the monarch butterfly. Make this simple. Just grab a Sharpie and draw your characters on. Working on the butterfly right now. Okay, so it's good to, do the head first and then the body before we glue anything. So what I'm basically doing is the eyes and then the shape. I'll go in and I'll color it with the Sharpie. Easy art form. Let's just go with the basic color, which is orange, yellow, and red, and then just draw your decorations on. This is what it's going to look like. I am not going to go in and paint every single little detail. This is something that your children can help you with as well, so make it a family exciting day. Grab a bunch of these planners and give every child a planner and let them paint on it, okay? Now, if you don't want to buy these heads, here's another idea. See how the body looks without the head? You can make little bumblebee, monarch butterflies, and ladybugs, little pots, little houses, and then just paint a door. Then you have yourself a fairy house. Okay, and then right here you can paint it blue or whatever color you want. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just drawing it on with the Sharpie. Get yourself a Sharpie. It's fun. It's relaxing. My marker is going out, so I saved this big piece for last to color in. Seems like the Sharpie will make it. And this has been fun. I used to draw when I was 12. I used to draw faces, like real people. I remember drawing a cover girl lady, just her face. And then when I got older and I graduated, when I was 18, I did a couple portraits of my friends. I used their senior pictures as a guide, and I gave it away as gifts. But I never continued with the art form, with faces. So You know, you become a mom and then you have to work and you just don't have time. So I decided just to freehand and draw all these. Wow, thank you, Sharpie. Whoosh. Okay, so here's your ladybug, here's your bumblebee, and here is your monarch butterfly. Just draw them on. Have fun with this. Here's my bee, and my busy bee. Kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. And last but not least, here is my ladybug. Now, I'm not too sure with the marker how the Rust-Oleum clear gloss will work on this. If it'll activate this marker and make it run, I will find out later. But here we go. And I'll just paint this planner in between the characters. A brown color maybe. And then spray her when she's dry. This is March 2nd. Wow, I just learned how to use my phone and go live on my Facebook page. So I updated everybody on my Facebook page what I'm doing with this Dollar Tree planner. Okay, so right now I'm adding the fabric tack. This is important. Fabric tack is very sticky. Look at that. It does have quite a bit of an odor to it, so just to warn you if you have not used it before. But then what glue doesn't have an odor? Alright, so right now I'm just going around this and adding it, and adding the head. And then I'll place weight. I'll make sure this is level too. My craft table is a little crooked. So anyways, add your fabric tack. Let this set up. And then I'll spray coat it. There we go. Demonstration purpose only. All these silk flowers. You can use these as well to decorate for now. It's going to fit in the hole. This one's pretty thick. So you use various plants to decorate the head for now. Alright. There you go. I hope you really liked this video, this DIY. This was a long one for me because I was multitasking with two different designs, but using the Dollar Tree plastic planner. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next time, but stick around. Follow me on Instagram. If this is your first time watching me, subscribe. See you on Facebook.